Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Edge Titanium. Coming in this nice blue coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 2-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust, rear park sensing, backup camera with a roof spoiler. We got some nice silver and black accents along this vehicle with blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors, and moving to the front here, we do get the license plate bracket, front park sensing, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which is always handy, so you don't have to lift it up with your own hands when you're carrying lots of goods. Plenty of door or side space on this vehicle, plenty of storage in general, hooks and doodads, you got lights to see things. Can't collapse your last row if you need be. 12 volt, and you do get your normal storage below with a spare tire. To close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will go down automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior with some quilted accents. We do get cup holders, not cup holders, rear vents, storage, USB-Cs, and 110 volt with your cup holders and arm space, and you do get quite a bit of door space in the back as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. You got some storage cubbies here, plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, memory seat for up to 3 drivers with that B&O sound system, lights with your liftgate and traction control all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 72,148 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with your toggle for your right hand screen. You have all your media controls here with your phone, playback, play forward, volume, mute, voice, cruise control, and toggle for your screen, which you can go for display, trip and fuel economy, driving assist, and other settings. To my right, we got your gear select, parking brake, auto stop, auto start, park sensing, cup holders, and tons of storage with your storage below. Wireless charging, USB and USB-C, with your nice backup camera, tune, volume, all that jazz, playback, play forward, engine starts up, storage below, and on the dash with a nice garage door transmitter. Nice big infotainment system here with your climate controls at the bottom, heated front seats with dual climate. We got your audio here as well with AM, FM, Bluetooth, which is always pretty handy. We also get SiriusXM phone. You got all your applications here, such as your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, media, and your entertainment, because you do get little video games with this vehicle, with your vehicle settings, which is pretty nice. And changing to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8324, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.